Haven't subscribed, subscribe right now, please. Give us update. Yes, on Tuesday I will be coming live at night 9:30 to 10:30. Are you ready? Get into the video. Hi guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, again I am here with a very amazing video. Yes, I know today is not a day when I upload a video on German Gyan, but yes, this video is really very important because this video is made just to update you that yes, from now onwards VFS office is open for Germany students. So you can fly to Germany, you can just get your visa done and get your appointment and you are perfect to go. So I'm gonna tell you each and everything in this video, so stay tuned till end and let's get into the video. And guys, if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Please do subscribe and click the bell icon, it's very important. So now let's get started. So guys, I am here to tell you very important thing. It's a update for the Germany students who are looking forward to fly to Germany. So yes, now you can fly to Germany, now you can get your appointment for visa. So yes, VFS office is on, which is amazing. So guys, this video is especially for the Indian students who want to fly to Germany for work, job seeker visa, for family reunion, for anything, his friend, or want to go for any reason like for student or student visa, job seeker visa, any visa. Yes, VFS office is on for the appointment. So let me tell you, yes, if you live in Delhi, then let me tell you, then yes, lockdown is still not properly open. So yes, in Delhi only family reunion visas are open and it will be opening from 1st June, which is Tuesday. So yes, you can just book for the family visa if you are planning then from Delhi. Otherwise we have some other options, and guys, it is specifically mentioned, please submit your applications on your day of appointment. Please take a prior appointment, then only go and give your applications. Applicant whose appointments were cancelled due to closing of visa section, which means due to COVID, lockdown and everything, then they will be contacting by the VFS Global of they will be contacting, so you don't have to worry for the new appointments. And please note down that the email ID will be sent on the registered email ID only. So this is the Delhi update. So if you live in Delhi, then this is update for you. And if you are a job seeker visa or a student visa from Delhi, then I'm giving you one more option. So stay tuned till end and watch this video till end so that you don't miss any point. But don't worry, if you live in India, then yes, Bombay, which means Mumbai, which means Maharashtra. So yes, Maharashtra VFS office, Mumbai VFS office is open. It will be opening only 2 days, Monday and Wednesday. And guys, which you have to remember, most important thing is that it will be opening from 8 AM to 4 PM. 8 AM to 4 PM. This will be the time for that 2 days. So yes, now you can book your appointments and fly to Germany. This will be done after 1st June. So get prepared with all the papers and everything. Learn German before applying. That will help you to the next level. And yes, you will be getting a priority in German embassy. So yes, and yeah, let's get into the video how you have to do and whole procedure. So guys, this is a VFS Global page. Apply for visa to Germany. So this page link you will be getting in description, so do check it out. Here basically you have to fill your all the details. First column is that where you are currently living. So I have just clicked Karnataka, but I am living in Delhi. Next, duration you have resided at the current location, less than 6 months or more than 6 months, whatever is true, write that. So yeah, so I am choosing just any option. You can opt the exact option, then category list for what you are applying for the visa, student visa or any. Then for that you will be getting a lot of new blanks. Now you have to become a bachelor student, master student, doctor or whatever, you have to write this. So I will be writing just a master student, just I am putting it. Then conditionally or unconditionally admission letter. Then language of admission letter, is it English? So you are going for an English taught or German taught, you have to write this. So whatever is true, make sure you are writing that only. So guys, now you have to write, have you got any scholarship or not? So you can write anything, and then you have to write in a next thing that have you received any award or scholarship from DAD. DAD is a place where normally students get the scholarship for Germany. So yes, you can choose 100% scholarship or anything, and then bachelor student degree or CBSE, you have received 90% or not. So that you have to write yes or no, and after that you have to write a very basic details: passport number, date of birth, passport expiry date, nationality you have to decide, you are a Indian or first name, last name, everything you have to mention here. First name, last name, your gender, everything will be coming here. So make sure you are putting each and everything correct in your passport and in your Aadhaar cards and everything. Please check it out, your proper name, your last name, your gender, your mobile number. In fact, the most important in this is your email ID, because this email ID, on this particular email ID you will be getting everything. This is a preferred appointment date. Make sure your plans are properly planned, because for appointments it may take to 28 to 48 days also, so you don't have to worry, you will get it. So plan accordingly, because once you get an appointment and then for the visa approvals and everything, it takes a lot of time, like 28 to 40 days, I'm telling you. Maybe it can be less, maybe it can be high. So make sure you are planning each and everything according to that, and then only you are putting the details here. So email ID is very important here. Make sure you write your email ID correct, because everything you will be getting properly there, like appointment dates and everything. And the last you are having this captcha you have to write, and last you have to tick that personally data is 100% correct. So yes, you can send to the VFS processing or not. So you have to take it and you have to submit it. Everything you will be getting on your email ID, and you are perfect to go to fly to Germany. So this is the whole process, guys. I hope you understood. Link will be in description of this page. So if you are willing to fly to Germany for student visa, any visa, then yes, just apply it. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and now you will be able to fly to Germany, because most of the people suffered a lot, whether they are students, whether they are job seekers visa, whether they want to meet their families. So now you can fly to Germany and get a ticket done by Plan Traveling. So don't miss. If you are traveling to Germany, then yes, Plan Traveling, which is my another firm, is there with you with extra discount if you are a subscriber or a follower of German Gyan. So stay tuned. If you want any help, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Yes, on Tuesday I will be coming live around 9:30 to 10 PM because timing has changed. So make sure you come live with me, and yeah, I will be answering all your queries. So see you on next Tuesday. Cheers! Keep learning German with German Gyan, and packs your bag and fly to Germany.